Football's life, right?
I know, it used to be.